Welcome back to my channel guys, and today in this video we are unboxing Redmi Note 7 mobiles of two variants of 4GB RAM and 3GB RAM. Let's get into it. Now let us take a look at the 4GB one. Now as we open it, we get a phone on the top. Now let us leave it to get turned on and look at the box. Inside the box, we also get a back cover, which is of plastic and a transparent, whose quality is good enough. And a guided manual for the user. Key to eject the SIM card tray. The fingerprint sensor is noticeably very fast enough. Now let's set up this phone and see it. For all the users, camera matters the most. So let us check the front camera. How does it work? Okay, this is how the photo looks. It is pretty well good, and the only problem in this is it is overexposed. Except that everything is very well and it's going on very smooth. Let us take a look on the 3GB variant. The comparison between the 3GB RAM variant and the 4GB RAM variant is nothing different. Only the RAM matters there and everything is same. Inside the box we also get a fast adapter of a 15 watt charger and we get a USB Type-C cable to charge the phone. The only thing I hate about it is the company won't provide the earphones, which I need a lot. When we take a look at the 3GB variant and the 4GB variant, we don't notice any change between them. The phones work pretty well, very smooth, and everything is clean. Now let me show you how fast does it unlock using a fingerprint sensor.
Fingerprint so fast. कितना बड़ा है, fast आ रहा है fingerprint. It is very fingerprint is very fast आ रहा है. Fingerprint is very smooth. Let's check face lock.
If you had enjoyed the video, give a like to the video and hit the subscribe button and stay tuned.